1. What is the benefit of using Unity's asset bundles? A. To optimize game code. B. To package and load assets dynamically at runtime. C. To create larger file sizes for better quality. D. To import assets from external programs. 2. What scripting language is predominantly used in Unity for game development? A. Python. B. JavaScript. C. C#. D. Lua. 3. Which Unity component is primarily used for handling physics simulations in a scene? A. Rigid body. B. Collider. C. Scriptable object. D. Camera. 4. What is the role of the animator component in Unity? A. To manage lighting effects. B. To handle user input. C. To control and animate characters and objects. D. To store scene information. 5. Which of the following is not a Unity asset type? A. Texture. B. Prefab. C. Mesh collider. D. Scene. 6. What does the Unity scene view allow you to do? A. Play the game. B. View and manipulate the 3D environment for editing. C. Render the final output of the game. D. Debug the game code. 7. How does Unity's asset store benefit developers? A. It offers free 3D models for download. B. It allows developers to buy and sell game assets. C. It provides free tutorials for beginners. D. It optimizes game code automatically. 8. Which Unity tool is used to visualize and edit the navigation mesh for AI pathfinding? A. NavMesh. B. Physics Collider. C. Timeline. D. Terrain tool. 9. What is the default Unity scripting method that gets called every frame? A. Start. B. Update. C. Fixed update. D. Late update. 10. In Unity, what is the purpose of the rigid body component? A. To store scene data. B. To handle physics interactions and motion. C. To manage camera movements. D. To animate character models. 11. What is the Unity hierarchy window used for? A. Displaying the assets folder. B. Organizing and managing all game objects in the scene. C. Adjusting lighting settings. D. Managing game variables. 12. Which of the following Unity features is used for real-time multiplayer networking? A. Unity Analytics. B. Unity Multiplayer, Mirror, UNet. C. Unity Collaborate. D. Unity Cloud Build. 13. How does Unity handle object instantiation during runtime? A. Instantiate, method. B. Instantiate object, method. C. Create, method. D. Clone, method. 14. Which Unity feature allows developers to simulate complex character animations over time? A. Unity Timeline. B. NavMesh. C. Animator Controller. D. Particle System. 15. What is the function of the canvas in Unity's UI system? A. It controls the rendering of 3D models. B. It stores and manages game settings. C. It serves as the container for all UI elements. D. It manages audio files. 16. What does the Unity Profiler window allow you to do? A. Test game performance and monitor resource usage. B. Edit terrain data. C. Debug network issues. D. View 3D model wireframes. 17. How can Unity's prefab system be beneficial for a project? A. It allows game assets to be duplicated and reused across different scenes. B. It generates random game levels. C. It automatically adjusts physics properties for objects. D. It converts textures into 3D models. 18. What is the main purpose of Unity's timeline feature? A. To generate procedural content. B. To sequence animations, audio, and other events. C. To manage game data across platforms. D. To optimize rendering quality. 19. What are Unity events used for in-game development? A. To trigger actions or responses based on in-game events. B. To set up collision detection between objects. C. To control camera perspectives. D. To manage player inventory. 20. Which Unity component is responsible for handling the input from the player's mouse or keyboard? A. Input Manager. B. Event System. C. Collider. D. Physics Raycast. 21. In Unity, which feature allows developers to adjust the level of detail for objects based on camera distance? A. LOD, Level of Detail. B. Terrain System. C. Shadow Mapping. D. Baked Lighting. 22. What is the primary function of the NavMesh agent component in Unity? A. To handle game object destruction. B. To enable AI-controlled characters to navigate the environment. C. To optimize performance on mobile devices. D. To animate character models. 23. Which Unity tool is used to import and manage audio files within a game project? A. Audio Source. B. Audio Clip. C. Audio Manager. D. Audio Mixer. 24. What does Unity's Cinemachine package provide for game development? A. A collection of 3D models for animation. B. Advanced camera system tools for dynamic cinematics and smooth camera transitions. C. A physics engine for realistic object interactions. D. A networking system for multiplayer games. 25. How do you manage game object visibility during runtime in Unity? A. Through the inspector window. B. By adjusting the object's render settings component. C. By toggling the object's active state. D. Using the camera component. 26. What Unity component is used to detect collisions between game objects? A. Rigid body. B. Collider. C. Scriptable object. D. Mesh renderer. 27. Which of the following Unity features allows for the creation of interactive, physics-based environments? A. Physics 2D. B. Particle system. C. Rigid body. D. Mesh collider. 28. How do you optimize Unity games for mobile devices? A. By using more complex shaders. B. By reducing texture resolution and optimizing scripts. C. By focusing solely on 2D assets. D. By disabling all physics calculations. 29. Which method is used to ensure smooth transitions between different camera views in Unity? A. Camera. Rotate. B. Cinemachine. C. Smooth follow. D. Camera. View. 30. In Unity, what is the purpose of the lighting window? A. To edit physics settings. B. To adjust lighting settings and effects for the scene. C. To manage network settings. D. To monitor game performance. Unity certification test. The Unity certification exam is a professional-level test that validates a developer's proficiency with the Unity engine, a leading platform for game development and interactive media creation. The exam covers a wide range of topics including Unity's user interface, scripting in C#, asset management, game physics, lighting, animations, user interface, UI, design, and 3D modeling. It is intended for individuals aiming to demonstrate their technical expertise in creating both 2D and 3D games. The certification is highly regarded in the game development industry and serves as proof of a developer's skills in building, deploying, and optimizing interactive experiences across various platforms. Passing the exam enhances career prospects and provides credibility to those seeking to work as Unity developers or in related fields. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of Unity certification exam. 1. Career advancement. Unity certification opens doors to better job opportunities by demonstrating proficiency with Unity. Many employers prefer certified developers as it assures them of a developer's technical skill set, making them more attractive candidates for game development positions. With Unity's widespread use, certification enhances a developer's chances of securing higher-paying roles in the gaming industry. 2. Industry recognition. Achieving Unity certification offers recognition from industry leaders. This credential signifies expertise in creating high-quality games, helping professionals gain trust from clients and employers. 3. Skill validation. Unity certification validates a developer's knowledge. The exam covers topics like C# scripting, asset management, game physics, and UI design, ensuring developers possess the necessary skills for complex projects. 4. Increased marketability. Unity certification boosts a developer's marketability by differentiating them from non-certified professionals. Certified developers are seen as more capable, helping them stand out when bidding for freelance work, applying for jobs, or seeking promotions. It provides a competitive advantage, especially in industries where Unity is the preferred development platform. 5. Professional growth. The certification encourages continuous learning. Developers preparing for the exam deepen their understanding of Unity's features, improve technical skills, and gain access to networking opportunities and Unity's learning resources, keeping them up to date with industry trends.